How to fix Messenger filter not showing or not working on Messenger. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or application. Then you will find here all the application that you have on your phone. You will open Messenger, and on Messenger guys, you will go to as you see here, you will go to storage, clear data, okay, go back and click for stop, click OK, and back to Play Store and update Messenger again, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next.